wrong side of the road, wasn't he?
Absolutely. Just cut that traffic light out and went straight on the wrong side of the road.
My life.
I actually said that. I said, if you don't do it now, head it off.
Bloody hell.
Hell.
That was pretty poorly executed. I left a massive gap for you, mate.
Wallpaper is questionable. Always going for it, there's something coming the other way.
Oh my god.
Watson. Silly Billy. I was going to use the turn right lane to go around. There you go.
On a blind corner.
Well, you know.
Black holes around my body, would time cease to exist for me, or would it change the rate of time inside the ball?
Wow.
Yeah.
To answer the cloak question first,
Yeah.
you can't make a
Oh no. Are we doing crashy smashy?
crashy smashy. Oh, that's
Shit.
Oh dear.
Together. So our hardware literally limits the range of what we can see to a tiny fraction of the light that fills the universe. If the entirety of this book, with 279 pages and 350...
Oh dear. Rush hour's about to start. Poor woman sat there thinking, what do I do? Nah, she was on her phone to recovery by the look of it. On the phone to somebody.
Existence, one thing consists of consistence, and it's here. I don't know, oh my too deeply.
What are you doing? You're literally going through the no entry bit. Oh, right, okay. The bit that says no entry, yeah, they're right.
He goes on to say, number 2, my street cred was saved when I managed to smuggle a couple of beers into an Iron Maiden concert at the Oxford.
Get off your phone. Get off your phone.
And my football socks, of course.
Yeah, on his phone. No idea.
Well, when we drive past,
I've never seen who's got out of
What I was about to say. We can have a quick peek when we drive past and see, you reckon?
Yeah, from bedroom to throne room, the ultimate sleeping away from the top.
It's a red light.
It's great,
I don't
right?
care who you are.
Fair enough. So she's
That is a
interfering
red
in
light.
Polish politics.
Yeah, why wait for the red light? Look at that twat, honestly. Yeah. Oh, way up. Bloody hell, where you come from? Nice parking.
A Dodge Viper here. Happily not the poisonous suit. Now we have a Sierra Cosworth RS 500 and a Ford Escort Cosworth. So we have a classic Mini. And this is an old Ford F100. Somewhat modified, I think. And then this is an A35 Austin with a Mark II Triumph 2000. And then we have an MG. And an Austin, which I think Austin 12.
How I feel about that I go. Meh.
Israel's military is again warning